In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. This is a super useful skill to have, especially if you're collecting data through Google Forms and want an efficient way to organize and analyze that information. Connecting your Google Form to a Google Sheet is a straightforward process that enhances data management, allowing you to keep everything streamlined and in one place. First, let's dive into your Google Form. After navigating to your form, you're going to want to focus on the responses that you're gathering. You'll see a tab named Responses right there on the main menu bar of your form. Go ahead and click on that tab to uncover an overview of your collected data. Here's where the magic happens. Directly in the Responses section, you'll notice an icon that looks like a small green sheet. This is your gateway to integrating your form with Google Sheets. Clicking on this icon will present you with different options regarding how you'd like to handle your responses. We're focusing on one specific choice here, which is to View in Sheets. This will enable you to set up a seamless connection between your Google Form and a new or existing Google Sheet. Once you click on View in Sheets, a new Google Sheet will be either created or opened if you've already connected it before. Here, all of your form responses are automatically recorded. This sheet shows your data neatly organized in columns, with each column representing a question from your form and each row capturing the responses from different submissions. This makes it incredibly easy to sort, filter, and analyze your data using the powerful tools available in Google Sheets. Moreover, this setup isn't just a one-time gather-and-done effort. Thanks to the dynamic link between your form and sheet, each new response submitted through your Google Form is instantly added to this Google Sheet. This ensures you always have the most current data at your fingertips without any extra effort on your part. Once your form responses are connected, you might want to share this sheet with collaborators or stakeholders. This is easily accomplished by heading over to the Share button located in the upper right corner of your Google Sheet. From there, you can share with specific people by entering their email addresses or generate a link that you can distribute more broadly. Sharing capabilities give you control over who can view or edit the data, maintaining security and collaboration as needed. And that's it, folks. Just like that, you've linked your Google Form to Google Sheets, enabling real-time data updates and broader collaboration possibilities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.